You did it. Keep ripping. Gotta see what's in there. Rip, rip, rip. There you go. Mommy, help? Okay.
Oh, the birthday cake.
Birthday cake? Oh, I don't think it's a cake.
A birthday cake.
Birthday present.
Birthday present. Yeah.
Yeah. Keep ripping like this. There you go. Rip it off. Take all the paper. Play guitar. Guitar?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
You are so stinking smart. Rip the paper off. Oh my goodness, he's right.
Guitar.
Yeah. He saw just the top of the frets, Corey, and knew it was a guitar. Pull it open. Rip all the paper off so you can get to the guitar, babe. All the paper, like this. Rip it off.
Rip it off.
You need help?
Daddy help you?
Yeah, Daddy help you.
You gotta rip the paper.
Guitar.
Is that a guitar?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, look.
No way.
Guitar.
What? He throws the shirt aside. Guitar and a book, baby. Look at the book.
Curious George at the zoo.
The zoo. Are we going to go to the zoo on Saturday? On Mommy's birthday, we're going to go to the zoo.
Look.
Book.
Can you look at the camera and say thank you?
Hey,
Camden.
Guitar.
Camden, look over here and say thank you.
Thank you. I guitar.
Okay, we'll get the guitar out. Thank you, Fern and Barb. Say thank you.
Daddy, get it out for you.
Camden. Camden, blow a kiss. Can you blow a kiss? Good job.